Hey guys, welcome to another product unboxing video. Today I received this HEYCHY massage gun, specifically the S5 Pro A. Look, it comes like this in this box. Pretty nice presentation actually. It comes with this. It comes with this bag, HEYCHY brand. Look, I'm gonna show you what's in. We're gonna open this like this, and look what it has. It has all the different types of heads for the massage gun. It comes with the massage gun. I'm gonna take it out. Look, it's pretty much this, and it comes with this type of heads. I'm gonna show you in a few more minutes how they work in the massage gun. Very different type of heads where you can massage on. Different type of likes. And it comes also with the charger cable. It comes like this, pretty nice packaged. And the massage gun instructions. Very easy to follow, actually. Look, that's all in the box. And now we have the manual instructions. We're gonna open this. Comes with this little accessory, these mini manual instructions, and this is the principle, this one. I'm gonna show you a little bit how it looks. Pretty easy to follow, doesn't have any complications. It comes with all you need to know. All the specifications, all the accessories, all the heads. So very good. We're gonna now open our massage gun. Comes packaged like this inside our bag. We're gonna take it out. Very soft material. The handle, it's very good quality. I like it a lot. The color, it's very standard, very pretty. I like it. Then we're gonna turn it on once charged. Look how it works. I'm gonna show you the back part, and let me show you this. Here it comes where the battery is. You can see if it's fully charged. And we're gonna test the first head. We're gonna start with the first head. Look, this is my favorite head actually. I'm gonna put it right, and look, it has 5 speeds. Look. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, this is the fourth one, and the fifth one is the different one where you can choose if you want it cold or heated. You can choose with clicking the buttons. You can charge this head so it works, and that's all. I like it a lot. I recommend it a lot. See you next time.